I'm Jimmy Tuley. I'm the Vice President of Residential Resilient Products here at Mannington, and I'm going to be giving you a tour of our booth here today. Very excited this year. This is the first year of our ADURA selling system in the market. It's the easiest way to sell LVT. It's the chance for you to be able to pick your color and then pick your construction, to be able to use the traditional glue down that's in our Flex product line, the rigid, which is our SBC, and then ADURA Max, which is the best-selling WPC out there. I'm going to be showing you some really cool new features that we have this year, really focused on the tile side of the market. And this has been a major emphasis for us. We wanted to be able to bring out the best-looking LVT tiles that we possibly could in all three of those formats that I just mentioned. So come on, I'll take you on a tour. First thing is a brand new marble product that we have. This is called Vienna. Vienna is a very subtle marble. We've been working this year on a brand new texture and gloss combination that really makes the product stand out and look very, very realistic. This product can be gotten in both an 18 by 18 inch format and a 12 by 24 inch format that comes in all three of the constructions, so you can have that product in the same visual in ADURA Flex, ADURA Rigid, and in ADURA Max. If you take a look at the floor, this has been installed with the Flex construction and has been grouted. A beautiful installation, very subtle, very, very pretty product. The next that I wanted to talk to you about is Pasadena. Pasadena is a new take on terazzo. It is beautiful kind of mixed species look. So you see the saw marks and see a subtle color play in the background. That subtle color play, we think really lends this to a modern look that has very, very, very good character. This product's going to come in three very neutral colors that are all beautiful. You can get this in the 18 by 18 inch size or the 12 by 24 that would come in all three of those constructions. The last one that I wanted to show you in this tile line is really one of the coolest ones. So we have come out on a new take on the checkerboard. And if you take a look at the floor here, this is a very modern, cool, hip look of the checkerboard. So this product comes in 18 by 18. You see a natural distress look, and with that new texture and gloss combination, it really stands out on the floor. I'd love to show you the other pattern on the wall here as well. This is in both black and white and a gray and white version, and again, really pops. A beautiful, subtle, soft color. That's a great new take on this product line. So that's it for our new ADURA selling system updates. Again, really excited to be seeing these beautiful new tiles in the market, and can't wait to get them out to you. Next, really excited to be talking about the ADURA Max Apex. ADURA Max Apex is truly a beautiful style and design play. These are things that you would never see in a floating floor before now. And I really believe that Terry and team have just pushed the edge of that style and design and made some of the coolest, hippest things out there. The first thing that we had to do here was make a new format. So you're going to see this come in a 16 by 48 inch plank, and you're going to get looks like this. Beautiful, inspired looks, ornamental stone. This is called tracery, and it comes in two different colors, one with a light tan background and one that's mostly gray and white. But because of this repeat, it makes a stunning product on the floor. Again, something that you would never see in a floating floor before. And the next along that same tile, you see the trellis product. Now this trellis product is a stunning visual. You really get huge repeat, and it really pops off the floor. It's something that we're very excited about this year. Again, something that you would not traditionally see in a floating floor. The next of the cool patterns that we have, and we'll walk over here, is loft. And loft is a really modern take on the parquet. This is embossed and registered with incredible detail, so every single one of these planks really stands out. It gives a great overall visual. It's great for big spaces. And you take a look along here across the show floor. You see that it's almost impossible to find a seam, and it is one of the hippest looks that's out there. We're calling this Metro Modern right now, and we think it's going to be a great, great, great look for us. All right, the next plank that I wanted to talk about is a River Mill. And River Mill is a stunning fixed bleed product lots of variation in it. What we've done this year with this is not only is there a French bleed, but there's also a painted bevel on this product, and there's lots of natural variation around those seams. So as you look at the floor, you get huge variation along the product, which gives it an unbelievable natural look and an LVT product. We really think this is going to be a hit. It comes in 3 different colors, and it's really a stunning product. Is Hampton. And Hampton is a brand new tile look for us. So it's a petrified wood crossed with a stone. One of the hottest tile looks in the market as it is right now. We combine that with a painted bevel, and what you get is a really natural grounded look. So this product is going to come in a 12 by 24 inch size in 3 very neutral colors, and we think it's going to be a huge hit for us. Finally, to wrap up all the new products, I just want to tell you guys how excited I am to be going into 2019 with our new ADURA selling system and the huge new ads that we have to our premium ADURA MaxAPEX. We can't wait to have a fantastic 2019, and I look forward to seeing you out there. Thanks.